before replaying the game. So, clean the pizza place to make your own restaurant better. Clean, clean, and clean. Supposed to be work like this. Clean the board that look like a bamboo today. Clean the boards. Yeah, we're doing good here. Badan Baker, bro. What is a bakery look like a zombie game? Oh, let's took this. We're finished the cleaning the pizza place. Are you serious right now, bro? Yo, we have my coins. We claiming coins are 4,000. Are you serious right now, bro? Are you serious right now, bro? Are you serious right now, bro? Are you stupid right now? Are you serious right now, bro? Are you stupid? Just like Mike. He's a regular customer. Yes. He's like eating burgers. Yummy burger. Why it's pizza place nor burgers? That's like McDonald's. You need to have pepperoni pizza. Is that a Grim Reaper? That's Jewish have a wish death. Unvaluable because only gave 2 weeks to make this game. I ran out of time. Is this true or not? Buy ingredient. Hey! Why can't buy lights? Ring the doorbell, bro. So where's the other person? Yeah. Customers. Call the customers. Call the customers. Call the customers. Call the customers, bro. Are you serious? Call customers. Call customers. Call customers. What is this sound? Yo, that's you! That's you! Are you stupid right now, bro? Are you serious right now, bro? Are you sure? I feel so stupid. The cars are crossing over. This is just look like a crossing. Is that a dinosaur? He's extinct. He's like burgers. Even it's you. Vegetarian pizza, you enjoy this. There's so many fruits. Close the door. Close the door. Close the door. The dinosaur. The dinosaur.